Our early island concept started with a top-down, bird's-eye view. It looked great on paper, with detailed maps and a grander scale. But when we tested it on actual mobile screens, it didn't feel quite right. The details felt too tiny, and our star, Shiro, was getting lost in the distance. So we scrapped it. We brought everything closer, flattened the perspective, and made the bears bigger and more visible, all to create a warmer and more intimate environment that felt great to immerse in via your phones.